why do 95% of digital marketers actually quit, right? The thing is, first of all, before you actually join digital marketing or the online marketing, if you want to be successful, you need to be committed, right? There is no quick rich scheme on this industry. That's what I thought in the beginning. That's what many people think. But in reality, if you really want to make 10K online, 20K, 30K, you need to be committed. It's a business, it's an online business. If you are not willing to invest money, if you are not willing to invest time for this online business, you will not gonna make it. If you think that you just purchased a course and think you will make $10,000 for it from it, it won't happen. It's an illusion. If you have that kind of mindset, it will not happen, right? If you want to have a business, an online business, that you want to earn more than your job, than your existing job, right? Then you need to have this commitment. You need to be willing to invest money, right? You need to be willing to spend. But if you keep on looking on the cost of what you are going to invest, if you have this mindset, you will never be successful, right? You need to see the value. You need to change the mindset of seeing the value instead of the cost, because once you see the value, you will, no matter how much it is, you're going to spend for it, because it's an investment. It's something for your own. Learning a high income skill is something you've been willing to pay for until how much it is, because there's a lot of value to it. It's something that you can learn from, right? It's not a cost. So if you have this mindset, you will not make it. I'm telling you now, right? I've been in a program that helped me pay 10K of my bank debt in 5 months time, right? Because I was dedicated. I went all in, right? And then after that, all the profit what I'm making, at least half of the profit what I'm making, I invest to on other things. I invested on another e-learning things, just to be better, right? We keep on investing. That's how we do it, right? And because it's not a cost, it's an interest. It's a investment. Sorry, right? So anyway, I'm just telling you this, that if you are going to expect to make money online very quick without being dedicated, just being lazy, scratching your balls, it won't happen. I'm just telling you, just don't waste your time. Better go back to your job, right? Because if you want to make it, you need to be investing time and money, right? It's not, if you want everything for free, then that will reflect your life. Then you will be broke for life. And that's just psychological true, right? Even if you don't change that mindset, if you're not willing to pay for something that will benefit you, that will change your life, if you cannot understand that, then this online business is not for you. Better go back to your job and then just do your thing. Alright? So this is just a tip. The reason I'm just telling you this, so that you don't be wasting your time. I'm trying to help you out, right? But if you really want to make a change, again, it just costs you money, because you want to make more money, right? But think about the mindset, the skill that you will be learning. That is priceless. It's pure value, right? So if you cannot invest for that, don't do it. So, and plus, don't complain, because that's how life works. Just a tip. John Maven, peace.